Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Your Power, I believe is the name of the song, by Billie Eilish, alright? So for this song, we're going to be using basic chords. Just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning. I'm just making sure it is in standard tuning right now because I was playing and I hadn't tuned it. But yeah, just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, and we are not going to be using the capo for this one. Give me a sec. Right, there we go. Perfect. All right, so there we go. I'm going to show you how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player. All right, so for beginners, you just want to strum through the chords. So I'm going to show you the chords first. We have an F major, and then we go to A minor, and then E minor. All right, so that's F major is 1 3 3 2 1 1, and my strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down. Sorry, down, down, up, up, down. Alright, and I think things that you need to note when strumming for this song particularly is you need to mute your strings with the side of your palm, right? So you're going to mute them, and when you go down strumming, make sure you're hitting the bass strings only, and then when you go up, try to target the high strings, alright? The 3 high-pitched strings. So that's F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. A minor. A minor is open, open, 2 2 1, open. To E minor, which is open, 2 2, open, open, open. Try not to abuse your power. Alright, now if you're intermediate, you want to play the exact chords that they're using for the song. So we have an F minor, I believe is the name, instead of the F major, alright? So this is F minor, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open, okay? And then we have F, that's the F minor, and then we have the A minor, and then the E minor, right? Now when we're playing F, you want to play it like this, alright? So that's hammering on the 4 3 2 strings, right? And you want to try and pluck the 4th and 3rd string with the bass, which is the 6th, so, and then pluck the last 2, all right? So that's, got that? So, all right, so pluck 6 4 3, and then you hammer on, and then you pluck 3 2 1. So pluck 6 4 3, and then 6, and then you go to those 2. Alright, now the advanced player wants to play this. So to play that, we're using the same chords and we're using that technique. So So make sure you've mastered the beginner and the intermediate playing. And then what we're going to add on is, all right, and that's on strings 2 and 1. You're holding phrase, so for string number 2, it's fret 10. And then for string number 1, it's fret 7, yeah? 10, right? 8. There we go. So 10 and 8, all right? So you have that. And then you shift from 10 to 8, and then from 8 to 7, right? So now you're holding 2, 1 on 8, 7, respectively. And then, so that's, okay, so you're just plucking. And then you come to open 1 and first fret of your second string, so, right? And then you play 1 open on your first string, so that's, and then you come here, and then you play. All right, so let me just try to zoom in, or like move in closer to the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. I hope you can. Right, so we have, and then you slide down here and play, and then, sorry, you're plucking both, and then 1 open, right? So we have that. We have the F chord before that. And then you play A minor, E minor, and then again, and then this time, this is the second time you have this, which is 3. Okay, you can actually slide this to play, which is 3, 5, 3, 1. Or if you don't want to use the 5, use the first string for that, which will be 3 first string, 3, 1 open on your second string. Okay, no open there, so it's 3 string number 1 back to 3, 1. All right, so then you have that, and then the last time, and then you slide to fret number 5. And here we're holding strings 3 and 2, fret number 5, and then we slide to string number 3, fret number 4, string number 2, fret number 3, right? So, and then you play the bass for A minor, and then E minor, right? So, so you can add that one, which is the 3rd fret of second string. Alright, that is pretty much it for this song. I can do a full fingerstyle tutorial. If you guys let me know in the comment section below if you need that, where I'll put the verse as fingerstyle and everything. But I just taught you this fingerstyle part because it's actually the intro of the song. Yeah, so do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.